All right, welcome back to Coffee with America. I'm here in the kitchen today with my friend, food and lifestyle expert Chadwick Boyd. Chadwick, thanks for being here.
Oh my gosh, it's so fun to be back here in the kitchen and cooking with you. We're gonna do something sweet today.
All right, well, let's do it. He's showing us, well, what he's saying he's gonna show us is something easy that we can do for dessert and simple party appetizers with pear and honey.
Pear and honey, simple produce items.
I'm all about it.
You ready?
Let's go.
So I've got my cast iron grill pan fired up.
Okay.
It's a little off season here, so all you have to do is get a cast iron grill pan, fire it up, and take your pears. Look at these gorgeous pears that I just picked up at the grocery store.
They are pretty.
Well, they are pretty, but they're also a little bit sweet. You want to grab for this recipe
Okay.
some that are a little firm, and you just put them in the bowl with a little bit of olive oil and give it a squeeze of lemon juice like this, and a little bit of salt.
Okay.
That brings out the sweetness, right?
All right. Other than
And then
pears, we have all this stuff at home.
just toss it all together, like simple. And I've already got these started. Look how beautiful this is. 3 or 4 minutes for either side.
Right.
And we're doing a special sauce before we add this to ice cream. So I'm going to have you do this.
Okay.
We're going to make a honey cardamom sauce.
Honey cardamom sauce.
Yes, and this is wildflower honey. So I want you to take this and pour that in there.
Okay. Now, what's the difference between all of these honeys?
So there is a light color one. This is amber.
Right.
It's all different flowers. Just pour it in there. Just go, 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 go. Oh, that's good.
Okay.
All right.
Stop there.
There you go. And cardamom is a little kind of like ginger, but it has this beautiful scent to it. Why don't you mix it up for me? And I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice to break it up. All right. Beautiful. Now, if you will, take that ice cream, put a couple scoops in there.
In this bowl right here?
In that bowl right there.
Okay.
And then I'm going to transfer these beautiful caramelized pears in there. Come on. Throw it on there.
You can tell I cook
some ice
great.
cream.
Good, don't you? All right, I put that back down.
And give me some too.
Oh, this is for both of us. I thought you were just
Yes.
making this for me.
No, we're going to have
all
this
about-
together.
Okay.
One more.
You can tell the woman that's used to eating
There
and
you
cooking
go.
alone.
Look how beautiful.
Wow.
Very simple. You can do this at home for 10 minutes.
Okay, so those are the pears. Okay, now this honey, why would you say honey opposed to, say, like brown sugar?
It's a natural sweetener.
Okay.
So it's natural sugars, that's what we want to be eating. When we add refined sugar to something, that's when we add too much sweetness.
Gotcha.
All right, and then we're just going to drizzle this cardamom sauce.
Real easy.
Just like that.
So desserts don't really have to be fussy.
No, and you know what? This is a dessert or an appetizer. This is a grilled pear with some drizzled honey and some curly parsley for some bitter.
Now, why the parsley?
Parsley because it breaks up the sweetness, so it works well with the honey. And if you don't have, I just made these crostini, but if you don't have,
Can I taste
you
one?
can just take a cracker. These Breton crackers work really well. They're multi-grain.
Okay. Can I
Easy,
try it?
simple. You eat that, I'm gonna eat this. How about that?
Food and lifestyle expert Chadwick Boyd. Thanks for joining us. And quickly, tell the viewers where they can find more of these great recipes.
Go to chadwickboydlifestyle.com and find me on Twitter at chadwickboyd.
Oh, I got my own ice cream. I'll give it up here. Y'all give it up for Chadwick Boyd. Thanks
Pears
for being
and
with
honey.
us on Coffee with
So much
America.
fun.
Go to coffeewithamerica.com for more info.